welcome to the RECD Beach Day. I'm Kira.
And I'm Sam.
As part of Mental Health Awareness Week, we're doing a beach day.
We decided to organise RECD Beach Day because the theme for Mental Health Awareness Week this year is Nature is Key, Unlock Your Wellbeing. So we wanted to get outside with all our friends and organise something for the community. We had a sausage sizzle, a bake sale, soccer, touch rugby, paddleboarding, face paint by Sam, and that was a real hit with everyone. Even the adults got involved, which was really fun. We had loads of fun organising this, and we'd just like to thank everyone who came along to support us and everyone who helped us out with the baking and setting up, and just absolutely everything has been fabulous. Thank you guys so much.
Yeah, we couldn't have done it without everyone that was involved.
Yeah.